Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a t-shirt Roblox. So let's get started. First, open Roblox on your PC, and then click on the Create button at the top of your Roblox page. When you click on it, this will open up the main creation panel. From here, at the left side option, click on the Creations, and then find Avatar Items. Once you find it, click on it. Once you're in that section, look for Classics. This is where you'll be able to upload your t-shirt image. Now, click on Upload Assets. When you click on it, you'll be prompted to select an image file from your computer. Make sure you have your t-shirt design ready. Simply select the t-shirt image from your computer. Once you've selected your design, and then you can give it a name, and you can also give description. Once you're done and you are satisfied with this, simply go ahead and click Upload. This might take a few moments to process, so just be patient. Once your t-shirt is uploaded and you did not see the t-shirt image, simply refresh the page and the image of t-shirt will start showing. Now that your t-shirt is uploaded, you can set a price if you'd like to sell it in the Roblox store. Simply click on the t-shirt, and once you are there, and then toggle on the option that says Sale On. Choose any price you like, or leave it free if you just want to wear it yourself. Remember, this step will require 10 Robux to complete. Once you're done, your t-shirt is ready to go. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.